vaccines. That's what I call it, the no vaccine problem. That is you work. As far as we know right now, it's you work. That way. Because we don't guarantee the characteristics of the dog. I don't think that this is going to change too much. They might not see is what you're going to get. What you see is what you're going to get. It might change a little bit, but I think you can pretty good. Shot schedule. This dog has had its first shot and its second booster. When you go to do that, you bring that health certificate, they're going to tell you what's next. That's all on you. We don't pick up this cost by the shots or anything along those lines. So that becomes this on the back of this dog.
This one's a little light.
So how much?
You heard me?
Joe, you heard me?
Huh?
It's a little light.
Light?
Not like empty, just like light.
She's probably 46. So the inside you have 2/3. That's bigger than that. So you use 2/3 of a cup.
So I raise razors.
Okay. Listen, this is just what we give you. How you do it.
Any questions,
Matthew? But this is how she would have to say and tell you.
It's going to be a 20 to 25.
Third of stuff in the morning, and third at night.
The medium size.
Is totally on your book. The only thing I would say is just store this. Just, and then put the blue in, blue, until it's mostly blue, and then you don't have to worry about this at all because it's all blue. It's comfortable with you guys. Will know a lot more. Will not be stressed. Not everything's going to be a big shock.
Did you?
We're going to be having that. I need
These guys
a
just
copy
came in.
of.
Technically speaking, I'm not supposed to be putting them here till they get vet checked. But I figured I'll show them you.
Need a copy of your license.
They haven't been seen with the vet yet. The vet is going to see them this afternoon.
Well, wait till the girls are home or something.
They're coming home.
They just came in, so they're not used to this. They're still playing scared. If we give them a few days, they'll open up and they'll stop playing. The dogs that have been here long enough, they know this is the play area, so they come here and they're hyper. This guy is shy because you're the first person that sees this dog. Nobody has seen this dog yet. So he's playing shy and scared.
You can walk in and make it a
Right, 9 weeks. How much? Oh, 3,000 euros. Yeah, you're the first one. He doesn't even know anything yet. We literally gave him a bath and he just came in. Technically, we give them 24 hours before we show them to anybody, but I showed them.
We just took this pill. Sorry, I snorted.
Fine.
Okay, thank you.
No problem.
Listen, right? Right?
And maybe she's just happy to be in somebody's arms.